Hello, my name is Ling. Today I want to talk about the Japanese game industry, and this is also my part. Uh, Japan's total gaming market is 12.5 billions, just for 2017. So, we can see Japan is the third market in the total market value of the game industry, and the first is China, the second is America. And you can see Japan is higher, more than a half than German. So I think Ja Japan's pay a lot of attention in the gaming market. As far as we can see, mobile games become the most popular part to the gaming industry, and Japan's right now pay more attention to the the mobile games. This is PC and this is video games like PS2. Uh, like uh, I can't figure. Oh, I forget the other example. So let's forget about it. Uh, In this part, I want to talk about the history of the Japanese game industry. Uh, in 1970s is I believe is my brother's age, right? But and these two games is so popular, so famous. At that time, the teenager the teenager at that time will play these two games for whole days, right? To the to how can I say that, the gaming service, or no? No, I can't find a word for that. And oh, maybe in the bar, yeah, they service these two games for since now, and this is more younger than that, right? In 1986, 183, Super Mario, yeah, the most famous two guys in the world. And this one, the Dragon Quiz, I didn't pay this one. I already, wow, I will spend my whole days to play the Mario driving car. Yeah, this is my age. Born in 1996, so this is my childhood memory. Yeah, every day after school, I will go buy the new cars, if the new car comes up, like like the Lockman and the Pokemon. They just put this card uh inside the Game Boy. Yeah, you can put it in the back. Yeah, there is a area for these two cards, and they use battery, so I think I can play the games until the battery is dead, right? I spend whole day for it. I can, if if I have no homework to do, or yeah. Uh, I, there is a funny thing. I didn't tell my mom I buy this Game Boy because I use my pocket money, and I hired them since she found the light didn't close off at the midnight, and then she opened the door and see I'm playing the Game Boy, and so angry and destroy them. Oh, this so sad. And this one uses a television, and it has line to connect the television, the TV, and use this card and put it into this bar, and you can control it with like these tools. And it is fun too. It's kind of Game Boy, but the screen is bigger, use the television. Use the TV, the screen is much more bigger than Game Boy. Yeah, you can see this is only like 2 inch for the screen. I don't know. And right now, everybody have a mobile phone. The smartphone is so important in our life. Everybody use smartphone, and the mobile games and also become the part of our life. Yeah, why the mobile game so important? You know, uh, I, if we play this one, we should carry whole screen, and the PC, the PC you should carry the laptop, even though the laptop is so stupid and heavy, right? The mobile phone, light, right? Easy to carry, and you can just find a place where have a Wi-Fi, or even though they don't have, you can just sit down and use your mobile phone and play the game for whole day. Yeah, you can get a rest wherever you want. It's so kind of um change our change our life, right? Uh, I believe this all done, right? This all done. So thank you for listening, and I hope I did a good job. Thank you.